Morning, everyone. It's Wednesday morning, 8:45, and this is your video number 538, and it's the pre-opening comment. So, Asia and Europe mixed to slightly lower. Biden says he's not going to be lifting the tariffs at day one, and the ADP number was up 307,000. That's 307,000 new jobs, which is up, but 30% under what was expected. Other news: the UK approved the Pfizer BioNTech drug, and the stock is 40 and three quarters. That's up $1.35, and that is in fact a new high, higher than 3 Mondays ago when they reported the efficacy of that drug. Walmart has dropped the $35 minimum order on their membership deal for delivery. Don't know why they even put up news like that. Okay, the market's soft pretty much all around, but nowhere is it more evident than in the electric vehicle, charging, etc. We have NEO, 41 and a half. That's down $4. We have Fisker, FSR, which has moved in the last several days from 23 to 16, and it's trading right now 1680, and that's down 280. Tesla's down 13, which is neither here nor there on a $570 stock. LI Auto, one that we've picked up a little action in. LI is currently 32, down 3. FCEL, 1699, down 2. We have Workhorse, the company that was going to be making electric trucks for, I'm not really sure. It may have been Amazon for delivery, but the stock right now is 1980, and that's down 540. And BLNK, Blink, that is another one of the charging station deals. It has moved in the last 5 days from 34 to 20 and three quarters, down $1.46 today. Carvana, I didn't see any news, so I assume that it's just profit taking. The stock was as high as 252 and change 4 days ago, currently trading 234, down 17. And of course, NKLA, which has gone from 39 and a half on Monday of this week to 1661. It actually is unchanged to up a couple of cents. Earnings yesterday and a deal announcement have not helped Salesforce.com at all. CRM has gone from 266 to 231. Right now, it's trading down 15, about 6.2%. Yesterday, they made the announcement after the earnings, which were great. The acquisition of Slack, which is WORK. I mentioned it last night, and that is really felt to be a pretty solid shot across the bow of Microsoft, who has been eating everyone's lunch there. Palantir, which has only been around for a couple of months and has had a range of $8.90 to 33.5, today is 23 and a quarter, and that's down about 2.5 on Morgan Stanley's lowering it from market weight to underweight and putting out a price target of 17, which really hurts when you're trading at 26. Merck is selling its Moderna shares. that seems to just be a little normal profit taking. They were partners on another project. They closed that project down a couple of months ago. But when you see a stock go from 178.5 to 134, down 44.5 in the recent days, you know, I can't imagine that Merck did anything but a little profit taking. And a little one uh, called AURIS, AURIS, and the symbol for which is EARS, EARS. I'm not really sure. There's not a lot of information on the stock, except that, of course, they have something that cures COVID. The stock has traded from $1.11 the day before yesterday to $6.60 yesterday, closing at $5.23. Up 412, which was a 372% gain this morning. It's 380, down $1.43, and hard to say exactly what they were doing before this, that they found that a nasal spray could cure COVID. Color me skeptical. Okay, the chart on the screen is the dollar, which again slipped to a new low overnight, and this morning it has bounced up a little, but it made a new low down here at 91.10, which I pointed out yesterday is pretty anemic. We clearly look to be headed back down to this 90 area to test the support there. If it doesn't hold, that'll really be a problem. The 10-year has moved up rate-wise from about 80.85 to about 0.94. The Dow's implied open is down 135 right now, but a big piece of that is CRM, which was added to the Dow just a month or two ago. The S&P is down about 12, and the NASDAQ is down about 55. So there you have it. Just going to remind you to hit that like button and to subscribe to the channel. And again, anybody who has any interest in the futures, which we're doing great with, you know how to get me. Have a good day. I'll be back later.